You start doubting yourself. You start procrastinating. You avoid picking up the phone. You start making excuses. And when you finally pick up the phone, you sound uncertain. Let me be clear, it's not. Ever feel like you're stuck on the sales seesaw slump? That was a mouthful. 1 month, you're closing sales like a machine. The next, you're refreshing your inbox, looking for any signs of life like a maniac, just hoping something will pop up. Whoa, have I been there. And I've coached hundreds of sales pros through it. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the 3 game-changing fixes that took my clients from a sales slump to sales streaks. When your income is tied to your sales, oh boy, the highs feel amazing. But those lows, they're gut-wrenching. You start doubting yourself. You start procrastinating. You avoid picking up the phone. You start making excuses. And when you finally pick up the phone, you sound uncertain. Let me be clear, it's not your talent. It's the lack of a repeatable system. In this video, I'll walk you through what's actually causing the slump, the 3 simple shifts that changed everything, and how you can download my free sales consistency blueprint so that this will make it stick for you and you can have it handy. The link to the handout is in the first comment and in the description area of this video. Why not grab it now and follow along? The first fix is simple, but many sales reps absolutely skip it. And that's daily prospecting. Now, don't roll your eyes because you're not prospecting when you feel like it. You prospect every single day. Here's my 3x3 rule from the handout. Number 1, call 3 new leads every single day. Number 2, follow up with 3 old ones every single day. Number 3, nurture 3 existing relationships every single day. This builds something magical. Momentum. You're not chasing deals anymore. You're attracting them from consistent outreach. Prospecting is not just about filling your pipeline. It's also conditioning your mindset. So you're creating daily habits. You're consistently prospecting. You actually have a cold calling strategy, and you now have a high performance routine. Okay, fix number 2. You gotta stop treating your pipeline like a black hole. You need pipeline staged checkpoints. Think of it like a sales GPS. You just don't hope they'll close. You map out a journey for them. So ask yourself these questions weekly. Who's in awareness? Who's in decision making? Who's stalled out? Clear out those dead horses that you keep beating. Clear them out. This lets you know where and who to focus on, who to re-engage, and who to let go. My top coaching clients use a color-coded system. A great CRM that has this is the Sales Look. I'll put the link in the description area below. Or they use my template, which is in the handout that you can download below. And you can do this in just 10 minutes a week. It doesn't take a lot of time. So you've got to have a sales pipeline management system, a good one, not a complicated one. The Sales Look is a very simple, uncomplicated CRM. You need a good follow-up system so no one slips into the cracks. It happens. You know it does. You need sales organization and Keep nurturing those leads that are in the awareness category or in the decision-making category. Now, this last one, fix number 3, is very important. I call it emotional neutrality. When you're riding the income roller coaster, it's easy to swing between desperation and discouragement. But guess what? Prospects can feel that desperation. They can feel your uncertainty. If you sound like you need the deal, they pull away. You need to detach from outcomes and reattach to your process. That's where coaching comes in. I teach my clients to shift away from, what if I don't close this, to let's qualify this to see if it's the right fit. You can watch all my videos, but where the real savviness starts to work is in one-on-one coaching. It can speed up not only your learning process, but landing deals. Sales confidence is important. Managing objections is an art. Having a good mindset for selling, you have to work on daily. Sales coaching is a must if you want to accelerate to the next level. Detach emotionally and use sales psychology on yourself. Want to start stabilizing your sales today? Download my free handout, The Consistency Blueprint. It'll walk you through the daily 3x3 pipeline checkpoints and emotional reset rituals. And because I want you to apply this, I'm offering a coaching power session at a greatly reduced rate of my usual rate so I can help you accelerate your sales. No more guessing, no more slumps. Try on sales coaching with my coaching power session. See if coaching is right for you. Actually, I know it will be. The link is in the description area below. Now, drop a comment and tell me, which of these 3 fixes are you committing to this week? Or why not commit to all 3? And remember, sales success doesn't come from streaks of luck. It comes from a system that supports your strengths. Download the blueprint, book a coaching power session, and let's get you off the sales seesaw once and for all. Stay savvy.